guys, Jared from Oneupreviewz, and we got another pickup. What we've got today in this review is the Air Max 90 Flyease, and we've got this in the white hyper pink white colorway in a US size 8.5, a UK 7.5, and a European 42. So at the time of recording, it is March, and March is Air Max month. What we've got here is a little update, a rendition of the timeless classic, the Air Max 90. Firm favourite, one of our guys, Jeff's got a pair, Chris has a pair, I unfortunately don't. I don't really wear Air Max apart from that. Skepta ones, I've got those Skepta ones I wear. But anyway, I'm getting I'm going off on a tangent right now. So we've got the newest update. So this is a collaboration between the Hatfield brothers. For those that don't know, a little quick lesson for you. Tinker Hatfield made the original Air Max 90. He also did the Air Max, not Air Max. He did the Air Jordan. That's it. Air Jordan 3 was his first one, and he's done loads more other Air Jordans since then, and other Air Maxes, and loads of other Nike trainers, which I won't list because I might get them wrong. With that said, let's get this open. Wow, it's very interesting, very different, and I mentioned that it was a collaboration. I didn't mention who it was with. It was with his brother Toby Hatfield, and I don't know exactly what he does for a living. I assume they're both designers, but what he added was this little slip feature, which is very prominent, as you can see. So we'll start with the outsole. And with the outsole, you've got the typical Nike Air Max waffle right there, nice hints. So it's typical Air Max 90. You'll find it in any other Air Max 90. Going up towards the midsole, there's a little window for that air bubble, prevalent with every Air Max 90 as well. And as we go along up, so this frontal bit of the trainer is an Air Max 90. You've still got that nylon on the toe box, leather out on the outlay, Nike swoosh, typical lace system of the Air Max 90 as well. But the big thing is what I believe Toby Hatfield added onto the trainer is this little slip. So what this incorporates is that it's easy to slip your feet in. I've yet to do it. I will demonstrate it when I do the on feet, but it is right there. You can just push it down where you put your heel down. That's how most people put their shoes on. They put the heel first and then slide in the rest of the foot in. So I think that's what you wanted to demonstrate, what you wanted to accomplish with this kind of design. It's a plastic on here. It's it looks like those TPU counters, but we'll demonstrate that, like I said, when I do the on feet. We'll just talk about the trainer a bit more. So you got that nice combination of blue, pink. It looks like a typical Air Max 90 colorway that you would get. Nike Air Max on the tongue. Nice padding on the tongue, nice padding on the collar as well. It's typical. You got a nice cushion feel. Insole as well has this different branding. It looks like a cobra. If that is the Toby and Tinker Hatfield's logo, I'll be honest, I really don't know if that is their logo. So do give us drop some knowledge down in the comments below. That's why we got it, so we can educate ourselves, you can educate others, and it will help us. It will help better us. I'm actually intrigued. I really want to try this on, see how this works. What this color, I'm not sure what to call it. Let's call it the plastic collar. So what this incorporates is as when you push it in, it's easier to slip your feet in. This is made out of synthetic leathers, synthetic materials even. This is obviously plastic, but it is, you'll be surprised how easy it is kind of like to put the weight on. It collapses, so as I mentioned, it's easier to slip your feet in. I'm really intrigued to see this design in action. That's why I can't wait to try it on. And you got a classic design, but personally I'm not a big fan of it. I'd rather get a pair of Air Max 90s because, you know, they're the look there is typical, and they don't have this. I mean, I get it, I do get it, but it's not for me. But we'll just see like if it works. We're just going to show you if it works. As I mentioned, personally it's not for me, but you know, you gotta, how can you gotta try new things, you gotta give new technologies a try as well. So like I said, I'm intrigued. Let's do this. Go. Alright guys, I'm not gonna lie, this is more than a gimmick. You know, this is a revelation to getting your shoes in. Like, that was so easy. Did you not see that? And as someone who's getting a bit older, I'm all about accessibility and getting my shoes in. That was so easy. Really, honestly, like, don't knock that. Guys, do not knock this technology. I know I just did prior to me wearing it, but I've seen the light. Obviously it looks a bit weird. You got like a little spoiler at the back of your shoe. But yeah, let's show you the little 360. Honestly guys, it's great fit as well. 7.5 is a good fit. So I say get your size, it's true to size, get your fit, whatever. Really comfortable as well. We do like our Air Max 90s, and you still got that nice support, that nice cushioning. And yeah, I'm taken. This has surprised me. Honestly, I mean, it looks weird, but still. Thanks guys for watching the video. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end on Instagram. Till next time, peace.